Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know if you heard that, but I just popped another doe. I don't know, I'm going to sit here. I got one more bullet left. Maybe there'll be another doe, or maybe a big buck, who knows. That makes number 8 deer I've killed this season. Thank you very much. You can see the belly right there.